What is up, everyone? My name is 𝘕𝘏𝑗. I'm an Amazon seller and also a co-founder of ProductPinion. And today I'm going to show you a very cool test. It's called ranked test. And this is something big brands like Apple do all the time. And this is something you should definitely do on your Amazon listings if you're serious about conversion as well. This test helps us understand the importance of each image and sequence them in the order of importance to your ideal customer. All right, let's dive into it. So ranked test. So for that, you need to go to Pinion Pulse here on the left and click on New Test, okay? This is where you're gonna see all the options for the product Pinion Pulse, and we're selecting Rank Test, okay? Now this page is for internal use, so just use a reference for yourself so you can easily identify it in the future. Now on this page, we put in the information that people who provide feedback will see, okay? So the main thing is the question. You have to look at all the images. You'll be ranking them from what you think is the most important to least important. Please give specific reasons why. Okay, if this is good, keep it as is. If you want to say specifically what product it is, feel free to add it. You can edit anything here. Now, there are two options, text and image. I'll focus on the images in this little demo. And there are three major types of uploading the images here. So as you see, you can upload it from your computer. You can select them from the gallery. So if you already have images in ProductPinion, you can select them from there. Or you can also grab it from ASIN. Let me actually show you this. This is all you have to do. Let's imagine this is your product, and you just want to make sure the sequence of images makes sense, right? So it's going to take a few seconds. Now we have all the images. You can select which ones we need to test. And I'm excluding the main image for a reason. Main image is a completely separate test. We just want to rank all the secondary images and see what information is the most critical to people. What information they need to see first, okay? Boom, import, and it's going to upload all the images here. We're like halfway done, okay? The other way to do this, let me start over. All right, so the other way to do this, you can just click Upload Images, and you can select all the images that you already have. Okay, another important part of the setup, take a look at this one. If you want explanations per image, so every single image has an explanation from every single person providing feedback, then it's automatically on, keep it on. You'll be charged 2 credits, but if you just want to be charged 1 credit and all you care about is just the ranking of the options, just how important they are, you can toggle that off and proceed, okay? I'll keep it on. I like reading the insights. Now, last step is where we select the audience, okay? So this is where you select how many people want to provide feedback. Let's say it's 100 people, and let's say it's both male and female, but if you need specific demographic options, you can go through all of these, select whatever fits your needs. And there's also advanced demographics, which we do not charge anything extra for. So even if you find someone who has, I don't know, ADHD, anxiety, or whatever, there's no extra charge for all of the options you add on top of it. It just may delay the response a little bit, but it costs you the exact same, all right? Now let's go to the next. So this is basically just a review, just to make sure everything makes sense and all the audience selection is perfect for you, the images are correct. Again, they'll be rotated, so people won't see it in this order. Everyone will see that in different order, and they'll just rank them, and they'll just move them around to say what order makes sense to them. And now we're done. I think we're like a couple minutes in. You hit submit, and it goes into processing, okay? I'll pause now, and let's look at the results in a little bit. Now check this out. These are the results, 100% complete. Let's scroll through it. So we have this order, not the order we actually originally had in mind, okay? We have how many people actually voted for each, and we have explanations one by one for every single option, explaining why the selection is made that way. Now I can also hit Analyze here to allow AI to help me out with a summary, okay? We also have Pinion GPT where you can ask specific questions, more detailed. Think of it like ChatGPT sourcing the data from this specific poll, okay? Now, yeah, this is pretty much it. What it gives you is the ranking of importance of the information people get from every single image. So that allows you to prioritize images in the way that most people find useful. Also, keep in mind, some of them will show, let's say in this case, 40 selected the first place. This one, 12 as the first place. This one, 20 is the first place. So I might still make a decision between these two to determine whether I want to show sizing first or this other image, right? So stuff like that, just keep in mind. But overall, this sequence should convert much better on Amazon. So yeah, these are pretty much the results. You can also easily share them just by going here, click a link, send it to anyone, and they'll see the same results that you see in your test. All right, and if you found this interesting, you're ready to start optimizing your listings, head over to ProductPinion.com, grab your free trial, don't wait, start improving your conversions now. Thanks for watching.